Okay, so what I'm gonna do is it's gonna be a tight fit, I know, with all three of these. So I'm going to turn it face out. I'm using this bubble bath, the Onyx bubble bath. I'm using that. So I'm turning it kind of out on the side where you can see that it's bubble bath. And then the next tallest is going to be this body wash. So I'm going to turn that one outward as well. And then I got the vanilla sugar scent body lotion. We're going to put that in the front. I'm trying to think of where I'm going to put my loofah. The loofah, I have several options. I could use this little soft pink. I could use the red. But since we got so much going on here, let's see. I'm trying to see how I want to do that. Could put it here on the top. Let me try this. Let's take this off. Take the price tag off. Okay, I need to cover up one of my little prices back here. What you talking about, little mama? What you talking about, little mama? All right, let's see. Okay. It's amazing how some of these will have the price and some won't. No price on the lotion. There was a price on the bubble bath, the body wash. There was a price on the body wash. No price on the bubble bath. No price on the vanilla lotion. So that's good. Alright. So to make sure that I get a nice little okay. I'm just attaching the lotion to the bubble bath and the shower gel. And I am going to go ahead and put in this small pink one for now. Any of you guys been out shopping today? I got up and did a little shopping and came right on back in this house. Because the longer I stay out, the more I'm going to spend. Okay, so I'm just kind of tucking this behind the lotion. And I'm going to see. Okay, so I can do light pink, I can do brown. Let's see here. What you talking about, little girl? What you talking about, girl? Okay, so what I do, I got my little glue dots on the bottom, and I'm just adhering the shred to it. so it won't be falling out everywhere. Try to keep as much of it inside the container as I can. I always love decorating with these lanterns. Alright. Cut some of this off the top. And I am going to get what I could have did, but I'm not gonna wrap it, so I could probably change it. Hey little girl, I'm talking. Granny talking here, little lady. She just laughing. She loves it when Granny be silly with her. Oh, honey, she loves it. She loves it. Okay, so I'm going to put one of these little foam flowers in. This little pink one here. Okay, so let's see here. Put some little shred in the back here. Yes, guys, don't forget, guys, please hit that thumbs up for me. Thank you for your support. Don't forget, if you got a channel that you really like, or you see a video you think is deserving of that hype recognition, please hit that hype. It helps out channels. It helps increase their exposure on YouTube. And I think as basket designers, we can all help each other get there. Because you may have some people that never look at basket design. And any one video from any of us could change that. And we could have them watching a lot of basket designers. Okay? Some videos you cannot hype. I don't know what criteria they use to give that option, but there are some videos that you cannot hype, and I'm not really sure why that is. But if we, help each other, we can get the gift, at least get the gift basket designers on there. Up in the rankings so people can start viewing all of us. Most of us, some of us. Okay. Okay, so I have my let me see. Now I'm going to kind of play around with the placement of these flowers and fairy lights. So give me a minute here. I'm going to see what I can do with this. So what I did, I taped the battery pack that you all saw. I taped that in the back. That's going to stay there. That's going to be stationary. So no matter where I string these lights and flowers, I will have that part stationary. So I'm just going to see how long it is and how I may have to change this little design, but at least we'll get to see. And I always try to be careful because I don't want to damage the lights or the flowers while I'm twisting and turning everything. Okay. Sometimes you have parts of it. I try to have it as tight as I can. And I wanted to find some more of these. I mean, I look. I couldn't find any. I think I only was able to find 2. I've already used the other one. But this is just really, really cute. Let's see here. Since this is going to be the front. Granny, glad you being a good girl. You being a good girl, so Granny can finish her life. Yes, I appreciate that. Being a good girl for Granny. Yes. Yes, pretty. Okay, so I think I see how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to have to tape some areas so that they'll stay attached to the lantern. It almost looks like it was glued to the lantern. Okay. Then I'll tape it down here, and I'll be ready to show you guys the finished product. I know something I just thought of I would like to add to this is 2 of those vanilla bath bombs that are in that little shiny gold wrap. I have some. I got to find them down in one of these boxes in here. Which is good that I keep all that type of stuff in one spot. Because I know it's in here somewhere. Yes, pretty girl. Yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take this up, and at least I'm able to frame out the front of the, I'm able to frame out the front. Just barely, guys. Just barely. Just barely had enough to do it. Okay. Like I said, I'm just making sure that I don't have to keep intertwining this. It's going to stay the way I have it. Thank you guys for being patient with my my little talented little singer back here. My little talented singer. Okay. So one thing I would like to do is get 2 of those vanilla bath bombs and put one on each side. I think that would be cute. So I will probably be taking this out. I don't want to have too many flowers going around. Let me see. And I can also change the color of that loofah too if I want to. I can change it to white, which I might do. But y'all know I don't wrap my gifts immediately. Unless it's something that I'm working on for, somebody needs ASAP. But normally I will wait just to make sure I have everything that I want in it. Okay, so I think I'm going to leave the pink one out and just use the white foam flower.